we are celebrating Pakistani Independence Day. Pakistan is now 75 years old.
Oh my God.
Old.
So
He's getting older.
But it's now it's always young.
It's now we are all dressed and ready for a party, and
And
look at
look
our decoration. Beautiful.
And she has a surprise for you.
Yes. Do you know, I learned piano and I learned the national anthem of Pakistan, and I'll play it in the next video.
And we have a delicious cake
Hey.
in our fridge.
But we'll cut it with our father. So we did. It was a lot of hard work, and we are tired, but we are ready for a party. Yay! So, bye everybody.